In 2008, trust in banks collapsed. Out of the chaos, Bitcoin was born.
It is definitely a very, very difficult time, and it's not going to get better quickly.
Bitcoin is a type of digital money created in 2009 by someone or a group named Satoshi Nakamoto. It was born after the 2008 financial crisis, when trust in banks and centralized institutions was at an all-time low. Satoshi designed Bitcoin as a way for people to exchange value directly, without needing a middleman. Unlike traditional money, Bitcoin isn't controlled by any bank or government. It runs on a technology called blockchain, a secure digital ledger that records all transactions. Every Bitcoin transaction is verified by thousands of people around the world, making it secure and transparent. And here's the kicker: there will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins. That limited supply is one reason people compare it to gold. Over the years, Bitcoin has gone from being a niche internet idea to the most well-known and most valuable cryptocurrency in the world. Its price has skyrocketed, crashed, and soared again. But through it all, it stayed at the center of the crypto revolution. People use Bitcoin to send money across borders, invest long-term, or simply hold it like savings. So let's break it down real quick. Bitcoin is digital cash, no banks involved, runs on blockchain, the revolutionary technology, and has a limited supply like gold. Ready to learn how Bitcoin trading works without risking real money? Try it on CryptoNanny Academy game, where you can trade, compete, and level up your crypto skills, all risk-free. Start now and download CryptoNanny on Google Play. And hey, if you found this video helpful, give it a like, hit the subscribe button, tap the bell for updates, and comment down below what you want to learn next.